Hey, good day, and welcome to the Global Affairs Tonight. I am Mr. Bravo, bringing you in depth analysis of Donald Trump's second term and its profound global implications. From escalating trade wars to shifting military alliances, immigration overhauls, economic uphills, and controversial domestic policies, Trump renewed leadership and reshaping international dynamics. In a bold move today, President Donald Trump has issued an executive orders to declassify long secret records related to the assassinations of President John F. Kennedy, Senator Robert F. Kennedy, and civil rights leader Martin Luther King. This unprecedented action could reveal hidden truths about their pivotal events in American history. Let's delve deeper into the key topics shaping the world under Donald Trump's second term. Now, Trump's global strategy. Trump's American first doctrine are the key factor in his new foreign policy, which is focused on putting American interest at the forefront, prioritizing bilateral agreements over the multilateral alliances. The implications of his approach are being felt worldwide. Donald Trump's policies have dominated global markets, where he has implemented tariffs of over 500 billion worth of Chinese imports, which escalates tension between the two economic giants. Experts estimated this trade will cost the global economy over 1 trillion. Where, in a move to protect American industry, Trump raised steel and aluminum tariffs by 25 and 10% respectively. On imports from the European Union and other key trade partners, including Canada and Mexico. These tariffs caused a decline in the value of the dollar, where European exports were hit hard. Trump actions in the Mid East have been controversial, from military moves to the diplomatic achievement. A groundbreaking agreement brokered by Trump led to normalized relations between Israel, the United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Sudan, and Morocco. This realignment of alliance is being hailed as a historical step towards the peace in the Mideast. By pulling the US out of Iran nuclear deal, Trump revived sanctions on Iran, which saw its economy shrink by over 20%. This has increased tension in the region, pushing Iran closer to resuming its nuclear program. Trump's stance on NATO has caused rifts amongst long-standing alliance. Pressure on NATO alliance, Trump demanded that NATO members meet the 2% GDP defense spending target, a call that led to significant debates within the alliance. The US has also threatened to pull its military support from Eastern European nations unless allied paid their fair share. For South Korea and Japan, Trump has constantly pressurized them to pay more for upkeep of US military bases, leading to the tension about the future of United States military presence in the Asia. Trump met Kim Jong-un multiple times with the hope of denuclearization, though concrete results have been elusive. Meanwhile, North Korean missile test program has increased, raising concerns of future global security threats. Trump economic policies have polarizing. They have had a significant impact on the US economy. Trump signed over 200 executive orders, including a controversial move to deregulate industries and reduce corporate taxes. The stock market surges over Donald Trump taxes cuts, but income equality has also been worsened. One of the central campaigns of Trump's, comprising the border wall, continued to expand despite furious opposition. The administration has allocated nearly 15 billion for construction of that wall. Trump culture policies have triggered nationwide protest and debates. The Trump administration moved to eliminate federal diversity, equality, inclusive programs, arguing they promote division. Many agencies and corporations have followed suit, citing concern about racial equality initiatives. Trump has aggressively pursued border security, targeting undocumented immigrants with mass deportation efforts, and the controversials remain in Mexico policy. Breaking news: declassification of assassination records. In an unprecedented move, President Trump has ordered the release of long classified records related to the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, shot dead in Dallas 1963, with numerous conspiracy theories surrounded his death. The declassification could reveal new details about CIA and FBI involvement. Senator Robert F. Kennedy, assassinated in 1968, and with continued speculations about political motives behind his killing, and Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., assassinated also in 1968, with government surveillance record that could uncover disturbing new details. The Director of National Intelligence has been tasked with releasing the GFK files within 15 days and the RFK and MLK files within 45 days. The world is watching to see that hidden truth may emerge from these pivotal moments in American history. Trump's stance on climate changes have been one of the most controversial aspects of his administration. Trump pulled out US from the Paris Climate Agreement, citing economic concerns. His administration continued to downplay climate changes while promoting fossil fuel development. The administration lifted restrictions on oil drilling in federal land and expanded exploration in the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge. Over 125 environmental regulations were rolled back, including limits on the methane emissions from oil and gas facilities and vehicle emission standards. These actions could have long term environmental impact with global consequences for the climate stability. Trump's administration has led a battle against China's technological dominance, focusing on cybersecurity and data privacy. US banned Chinese tech giant Huawei from operating within the country, citing national security concern over its ties to the Chinese government. Trump administration pushed for a nationwide ban on TikTok earlier and limited semiconductor sales to China, a move that has further strained relations with Beijing and disturbed the global tech supply chain. Trump's second term could see the US continued its aggressive stance on tech security and cyber security, potentially reshaping global tech dominance. As President Trump's second term unfolds, his policies are reshaping global trade, military strategies, immigration, climatic policies, and technological rivalries. The declassification of assassination record may change the way American views its past, while his approach to the foreign relations continued to steer both praise and criticism. One thing is clear: Trump's second term will leave a lasting impact on global affairs, and the world is closely watching. I am Mr. Bravo signing off from Global Affairs Tonight. Stay tuned for unfiltered updates. Good night.